To add a leave note, the student should log in into MyClassAdmin. Then the dashboard will appear, where click on the leave note option and the leave note interface will appear. After that, to add a leave note, click on the leave note option, then choose the start date from where the student wants to take the holiday, then select the end date and the reason of leave. Below that, the student can attach a file of a medical certificate if the student needs leave for more days. Then click on the tick option and your leave will be added successfully. To approve the leave from user side, log in into MyClassAdmin account. Then click on the manage tasks option and then the approve leave option. Here you can see the leave note added by the student. You can approve the leave Now to see the approved leave status, the student should log in into his account and then now you can see the leave is been approved.